Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got the what? Another unboxing. Yes, sir.
Uh-oh. Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
this is part 2 of my journey to find the most comfortable shoes. Like I said, I am planning a trip to Florida. So this is another pair that I've been wanting to try out. Another Nike pair of shoes. This one's coming from Dick's Sporting Goods. Does come in that regular Nike box. It just has that big old check, so that's something a little bit different. It doesn't have Nike across it. You see my size right here. So if you don't know about these, I was told that you should go up half a size. So this is a 10.5. The box reads Nike ReactX InfinityRN 4. So let's go ahead and check out these bad boys. Now, I have seen these in shoes and put these on at the store, so they didn't have my size, so I had to order them online. But one of the benefits that I have, bam, to order them online is that I was able to get these on sale. So on Dick's Sporting Goods, these shoes are on sale right now. So if you want these, go and get you a pair of sneakerheads. So this is just a clean colorway, simple in that. And the colorway that everyone is rocking. That's why I did get these, because the majority of the upper is fully white. And it does have those black hits as well as that red tab on the back, which I do love. Nike red at the bottom. We'll go over these in a more detailed review, but just wanted to show you these. Again, I can't wait to get these on feet, and I will go over the first ones because I have worn those already and let you know how they feel. This is a soft cream knit material. And if you don't know about this new foam right here, that it's called Zoom X. You probably can't read that because it looks backwards, but the Nike Zoom X is the new soft foam that Nike using for all its running shoes. It is in the running shoe called in the Invincible Run as well. And it's just supposed to be a very, very nice soft shoe. To be honest, I did try on the Invincible Runs, but for me, it was just a little bit too bouncy. I did try these on in the store, but they didn't have my size or this colorway at the store. So I wasn't lucky to find these on sale at Dick's Sporting Goods. I think I paid like $111 for these, but I don't really remember. But again, it's definitely under retail. I think retail price is $180, so definitely a big savings right there. So if you want these, go and check out Dick's Sporting Goods. Again, this is not a paid promotion, but what do you think about these, my brother?
It's a nice, clean shoe. It looks very comfortable. I like that foam in the back. Let me see the insole. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Not too thick. No. That's what you're talking about.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Nice, clean shoe, man. Nice, clean shoe. We'll be rocking those. We'll be rocking those on feet. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.